we've got the Ferrari 458 all finished up and back on the dyno. Well, we were gone. We put some Fabspeed headers, Fabspeed test pipes, S-line exhaust, some Novitech springs to drop the car, some aftermarket wheels and tires to get a little bit more meat under it, as well as a Mase engineering flash tune. So with all those things, let's see what the car can do. So as you can see, a 30 horsepower gain is a pretty solid gain considering it's just a flash tune and some exhaust. With that, the sound of that car is something that I cannot describe. You just have to hear it in person, and hopefully one day you are driving around and lucky enough to hear it. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe.